welcome to the Corpus Linguistics workshop with Dr. Barami Kiyovichai. In this video, I will show you how to use the British Academic Written English corpus on Sketch Engine. The British Academic Written English corpus is a large collection of academic texts written by students at British universities. It is a great resource for learning about grammar, vocabulary, and style of academic writing. In this video, I will show you how to use the word sketch function to explore the corpus. Let's get started. The first step is to find the British Academic Written English corpus on Sketch Engine. To do this, go to the British Academic Written English on Sketch Engine website. The link to this website is provided in the description. After you reach this page, click on the Word Sketch tab. On the Word Sketch tab, you can enter a word or phrase to see how it is used in the corpus. For example, let's enter the word research. The word sketch function will show you a list of all grammatical patterns and collocations of the word research in the corpus. For example, here it shows the modifier of the word research, such as qualitative, as in qualitative research. This one here shows the word that research can modify. For example, question, as in research question. So here research modifies the word question. You can also see the concordance lines of the collocates by clicking on this tab here. Here you can see how the word is used in context when it co-occurs with the collocation. By using the word sketch function, you can find examples of words and phrases in context. This will help you to improve your own academic writing. That's it. In this video, I show you how to use the word sketch function in British Academic Written English corpus on Sketch Engine software. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you very much for watching.